in the picture has a tilted antenna, which is a mistake. Tilting the antenna reduces the operability of your radio communication device. The radio waves emitted by a VHF antenna are omnidirectional, transmitting 360 degrees in the horizontal plane and traveling virtually in a straight line. Therefore, their communication range is often called line of sight. For this reason, the receiving VHF radio antenna must have a direct line of sight with the transmitting antenna, without obstacles between them. Logically, if the antenna is tilted, the range of the emitted waves is drastically reduced. Besides the reduced range, there will be wave polarization problems, noise, interference, and it will affect the standing wave ratio, or SWR. Remember that the higher the antenna is above the water, the greater its range. So, to maximize the transmission distance of a VHF radio, the antenna should be mounted as high as possible on the boat. In sailboats with the antenna mounted on the mast, when sailing heeled over, the antenna will always tilt. Therefore, if long-distance communication is necessary, it may be interesting to adjust the sails to reduce the heel during the transmission. Hasta la vista, fair winds and following seas.